Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Local. We'll do a race back. I'll mark it. If I have any mud left on my boots. Hold on! You want to do a race back? You want to do a race back? Okay, all right. All right. There's the line. He had it good out of the gate. He had it good out of the gate. I think Ryan was trying to intimidate him. I can't run again. Don't make me do it. I guess that's the champion, huh? Oh boy. I think he just put that bungee cord on there to like lay the throttle wide. Goes to the car for, oh, he didn't go in the ditch at least. All right, I told him I'm not running all the way back up there and back down again. Oh, we have goats. We have goats in the, there are goats. Watch out for the goats. I don't know if they're racing again. I don't know if Louie can stop, honestly. Ooh, he's gonna just got there goes the hood, just fell off. What is he doing? Wow. Wow. He scared the goats into the other neighbor's yard. I don't know if he can stop. I think that's why they're not racing, is because I don't know if Louie can stop. He has that throttle just cranked open wide. The hood just fell off. He's got to go collect that. Oh boy. Are they playing tag? Oh, he's getting that hood. Oh, Ryan grabbed it. Okay. I don't think Louie can let off, like... This is very dangerous. I think this is pretty dangerous. He's got the... Ooh. He was using that bungee to hold the throttle open. You couldn't stop.
I needed a break from it. It's freaking loud. Definitely need to rig up a gas pedal if I have any hope of beating you with this.
Yeah. You could definitely get faster if you do that.
You noticed the difference in speed after I did that? Oh, yeah, after I rigged up the throttle?
Pretty good flyby.
Yeah.
Tie it?
No, well, kind of. I hooked a bungee cord up to the throttle on it. Oh. So this thing still is just a champ.
I don't know how I didn't bust the...
She's just a champ. What'd you do?
I bust something?
What did you say was wrong?
Nothing. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, I lost like all my higher gears, and all of a sudden it came back. So I don't know what that was.
You probably just got caught in between gears.
I did. Real bad.
Yeah.
I don't know how I didn't bust that steering hitting that. I was trying to come up beside you, and
I can't believe I lost my hood.
How'd you do that?
I turned too sharply and the hood fell off.
Oh, well, yeah.
Like it flew off. Into the jingle poppers up there. Well, some sad news for the Gator. Might as well talk about this in this video. Yeah. Went to show Ryan the Gator engine and how it runs, and it locked up hard. So that's cool, right?
That's what happens when I get behind the wheel.
So what are we going to do? We're going to put...
I've got another twin to this mower here with a hydrostatic transmission. What he's going to attempt to do is take the engine, which as we know of runs, and the hydrostatic transmission, and apply it to this in a vertical orientation.
Correct. There we go. That will work. It won't be really fast at all, but it will move. That's not the goal to get this thing to go fast. It is to make it a workhorse for around here. So that is the new plan on account of the engine is locked up hard.
Kawasaki's, man.
Kawasaki. Freaking cowabungas. Well, if you guys want to see more racing action with the Pulley swapped lawnmowers, and we got this one over here. Yeah, that's the one that you saw me building. I'm not done building it yet. That's going to be a pretty fast one. Not done with that yet, so just a lot of them to work on and little time to do it. So, all right. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. Franklin Stein's Garage.